Good morning, Falcons. Today is Wednesday, September 9th, and you're going to be doing a recording in Flipgrid of your voice and your name. So please, and you can do a Snapchat at the end where you take a picture of yourself so I can see your picture and hear your name with that. You may have done this already in some of your other classes, such as science or social studies, or maybe even language arts. Maybe they all had you do that yesterday, but go ahead and do that for me. You probably won't have to watch the video on how to make a Flipgrid if you've already done that. So it's in your folder in Schoology for Wednesday, and that is the assignment. So by Thursday, you should have done your Math About Me Now and your Flipgrid voice recording when we meet on Thursday. And we will Google Meet Thursday morning at your assigned time. The only thing that's different is your homerooms will meet at 1 o'clock tomorrow. So meet with homeroom tomorrow again at 1 o'clock, and then Thursday you're back to each hour on the hour with that teacher. So that's the assignment for Wednesday. Bye, guys.